What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you from YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And before we jump into it, I'd invite you to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online on the Internet Income Ninja channel. Today's video is about a content designer opportunity position at a company called OKcoin, and it is indeed a remote work, and you can work from anywhere. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. Um, Helps out the channel. It helps you know when these opportunities come out, and it will potentially help you change your life. Go ahead and check those links in the description so that you can look at other ways that you can make money online. All right, guys. So, OKcoin. This lead was posted at 6. Actually, it was posted 4 hours ago, so roughly at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for reference, this video is being recorded on February 28th, 2022 at 6:01 p.m. Okay, this video will be posted on March 1st to give you some idea of when things are happening. Now, this is full time and it is international. And if you want to go ahead and press this link here, right here, okay, you will be able to know more about the company because it takes you to their website. It says a better way to Bitcoin. Join the fastest growing global cryptocurrency exchange with the lowest fees around. So OKcoin uses, or it is a cryptocurrency exchange. I'm guessing it's decentralized. All right. It didn't say if it was or not, but it promises the lowest fees around. Okay. So if you're someone who's into crypto, um, I don't think they do anything else with respect to the blockchain technology, but they definitely do cryptocurrencies. Um, Check them out. But if you're just interested in making money through working with them, keep watching. Now, their mission is to help the next billion people experience the future of finance. We're looking for a leader to help define the future of content design for our products, set strategies, and develop a culture of excellent content in all areas where we interact with customers. We have offices in San Francisco, Miami, Malta, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Japan. And while this role is listed in San Francisco, we are remote first and believe in you working wherever you work best. So primarily, they do remote stuff, but they do have offices in these mentioned cities. Okay? But primarily, they are a remote work company. Now, as a content designer, you will dip your toes and dive headlong into high impact content initiatives to guide our users through our products in an effective and delightful way. You'll bring your experience working on consumer products to design content experiments, ship improvements, and measure results. If you love wrangling opinions, reconciling them with data, and making sure people are rowing in the same direction, then leave us a hello. Did you pick up the Adele reference there? Now, what you'll achieve, you'll leverage data, insights, and user feedback to bring in human voices into problem statements, product interface, and user journeys. You'll generate multiple ideas quickly and connect regularly with customers to validate directions. So you'll be working with customers and you need to make sure that you're on the same page. Participate in design critique and present work in product leadership feedback meeting. You'll own the end-to-end experience translating the brand into our products. You'll offer a content design perspective throughout the product development process, influencing strategic decisions across product to improve the overall experience and ensure consistency. You'll partner with product designers and ensure You'll partner with product designers, product managers, user researchers, product marketing, and engineering to build and ship along the company vision. You'll work across teams to drive consensus and advocate for solutions that balance the needs of our users with our business goals. Now, what they look for in whoever they're hiring, which is you listening or watching to this right now, they want 5+ years of experience as a user experience writer, product content strategist, content designer, growth writer, or a similar role. A solid history of outstanding writing and a portfolio of strong examples with stories of how your end-to-end writing approach and role led to meaningful improvements. A natural instinct to tackle large, complex problems head-on, and a tendency towards action. A passion for inspiring design and product teammates with a clear vision. Ability to achieve consistency by following, maintaining, and evolving content standards. Familiarity with content strategy, content design, or information architecture concepts. Solid understanding of user experience, design principles, and interaction patterns. Comfort in a fast-paced, highly dynamic environment with multiple stakeholders. Excellent communication and presentation skills. Comfort presenting and working with senior executives. Now, some things that are nice to have. It's nice if you had these. It would be nice if you had experience designing content experiences for fintech, investment platforms, or crypto products. It would be nice if you had experience working with global teams across offices and time zones. And lastly, it would be nice if you were fluent in Mandarin, which, if I understand correctly, is a language spoken in China. Wow, that was a mouthful. However, it is a pretty good lead. Blockchain technology and specifically crypto has been taking off, right? And if you want to be in the thick of things, hit this blue button and apply for this lead, for this role as a content creator or content designer for OKcoin. Okay? People used to trade with shells, fine linen or fine cloths, expensive cloths like silk and other precious cloths, precious metals like gold and stuff like that. I mean, they still trade with gold. Gems like diamonds, rubies, things like pearls. Then it switched over to paper currency, money. And now we're entering the digital age where people are banking and it's actually working. They're banking on digital currency, crypto coins. I mean, think about it. Most people today don't necessarily deal with cash. Most people today, when they go to work, they go home and they get paid at the end of the month. Your money is wired to your account. You don't handle money. You don't handle cash. Money is just in your account. You log in, you see these 1s, 0s, these 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s. And it said you have money digitized. All right? So the past is the past and there's a new wave coming. And cryptocurrencies are what's in now. And honestly, it doesn't look like it's going anywhere anytime soon. So adapt, position yourself in the most favorable place. And if that means working for OKcoin as a content designer to get your feet wet, by all means, go ahead. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Let me know what you think about cryptocurrency down in the comment section. And while you're at it, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja signing off. Please continue to stay safe. Check out all the links in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.